Morning, welcome to day 2 of the Doe Show. And this morning we've got a special presentation for our illustrious new engineers. After they've completed their apprenticeship, we're probably running 2 years behind due to something called COVID. So we just wanted to recognise the fact of their accomplishments. I have done a couple of words and I'll keep it short. The apprentice programme is the lifeblood of the service we provide for today and the future. From starting as an apprentice myself, I know the road you're on, you've been on, what you're doing now and what's next. And the future's bright, especially for Ben. You never stop learning, and with the level of technology we work with every day, I truly believe what we do is at the forefront of engineering. It's a journey that we all go on. It's exciting. Say I started off painting the toilets. Look where I am now.
Still doing it.
Still doing it, pretty much. So I say it's short and sweet. Thank you for your accomplishments. Thank you for your hard work. You've done a lot. Some of you have proved yourself amazingly in the past couple of years, especially what we've been through. And we'd just like to take this opportunity to present you with a box. Alright. That's me. That's some short words. Angus, have you done that?
Well, just to thank you all so much. We're all so proud of what you've achieved. And a lot of you, it's quite personal for me because at least some of you, I would have interviewed you and taken you on in my service role, I think. Perhaps half of you. So just really proud of you all, and it is, an award, a piece of glass, but really it's just to recognise and symbolise thank you. You've got a great future ahead of you, and we have so much pride in our apprenticeship programme. The company was started, the blacksmith shop. Ernest Doe was an apprentice himself, and he worked up and then bought the business and then expanded a lot over the years, which is something I hope to continue. So, and you guys are all part of that, aren't you? Part of the future. So, thank you.